than gold, whiter than snow, deeper than the ocean, wider than the sea.
izidalwa zakho ziyababaza amakerubi namaserafa yababaza athi ngwele 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 umkele webukosi namandla come on webukosi namandla let's do this one last time sitithathu dumoloke
This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Mbongele sengisosikhathi sehlelo kolihamba embili iGospel Impact. Lapho khona sivumisa lo mtsala wetinsuku mbongele sakhala nasemoyeni ngayo endvumiso ngoba siconza kunye ukuthi endvumisweni sithola kuphila endvumisweni sithola emandla lamasha. Namhla ke ehlelweni mbongele we are talking to one of our very talented young men in the kingdom of Eswatini ngikhuluma ngaye Thabang wakamathebula as we are celebrating the people or rather appreciating the people that work behind the people that we see every day on our screens. Mkhuluma ngaye nje lo msebenzi lomuhle lesiphuma kuwona lengomeni emnanzi kakhulu yakhe Zamawa kaMabuza. He's one of the people who also manages Zamawa and does production lamaningi kakhulu mbukeli but angayimoshi indaba yakhona cause umkholo ukhona utachaza kabantu umkholo. Finally we get this time to sit down. Uhlala ubaleka behind the scene ubalapha nalapha nalapha. Welcome to the show and thank you so much for being with us namuhla.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu nekubabukeli kubala.
Amen. Njobe sithinza lenzaba nje ukuthi you're not just a manager, you wear a lot of hats. Just please break it down because we know that you're from Burnmark Production, your baby. Loki Pay and Azamwa Mabuza lesimbona namuhla and that we appreciate so much in the kingdom. But just break it down because we know you still serve in church. Thabang wendani kahle kahle.
Angibikelele babukeli ngithabani mathebula. Thabani wenda lokunengi. Wenda lokunengi and some of the things ngitibona kule journey yakule industry of music. So I'm a sound engineer which is something lengathi ngaqala vele ngaqala ngakho.
Yes.
Doing sound back in 2012 where ngaqala ngafunda sound and the good part ngayifunda esonweni. So I attended Zakhele Church of the Nazarene. That's where I started everything.
Okay.
Then kwaya ngeminyaka ke doing kuba khona ma showing ukhanza ukuthi ndaba khona ngende sound for that show naleyo mostly church shows. Yeah, I think kube minyaka la around boma 2016 to 2017 where I started being part of those big shows.
Okay.
Yeah.
Big shows, productions, right?
Yeah.
But before we get to that, how did you and Zamawa meet? Because this is where everything started. We were having a conversation before we opened up the show saying, wakala ngaye. That's where you saw, I can actually do this. And then you started venturing into everything. How was that for you? How did you let me take this risk and start with see if it works? And did you even know it's going to work like this?
We met ngam invite sonven so ehosana then waqala with asadlala guitar ke mfowethu asadingena nezela asadlala guitar yadlala then I'm invited sonven he came yeah the bond was tight and wafike sahla phasi wangibekela vision yakhe ukuthi ufunani yeah everything happened very so fast.
Okay.
ine point ukuthi wathi makasho ukuthi yatune ufisa kwenta into le kanje ngawa like no, we can do this for it. But lapho before sifike lapho we did I think 2 shows at church naye wasenaboma worship nights and khona la sayazama ku create a group khona. He was part with few others nabo la sabahlabela nabo but bama backing vocals.
Oh, okay.
And part of the band njengabo Maphanga was part of vele kusukela emuva as nje abe part of inang MD wazama and producer wakhe vele nje sibuya naye from way back.
Oh, all right.
So yeah,
I get it. But now Bonnie Production saying Jena, because this Zama is the first person that you saw which I can do this. Now so Bona lom 7 nje sibona Zama segang lom vlong wena mutla. How do you feel about it?
I feel so happy.
Yeah.
I feel so happy because mawubuka back in the years we knew that makunga record isibani record asibani.
Yeah.
So kunale ukuthi ayi siyathi artist kangwani ngibani nazibani ngibani lovela kuthini V nabani lovela ku TV. So the moment we had the recording nazama because Lena it's our second recording. Yeah, the first recording Mark Chizga production ayendeka. Then we did this one which we pushed ukuthi isha shiphume nayo. So maze sibuka ukuthi okay lama the production kuwo lama artist and naye Zama from way back nanyalo, like the industry has improved like a lot in everything lesendeka with the production and nasemuva the industry has improved. There are a lot of things lebestibona outside the country nyalo setiendeka in our country.
Yeah, true. It's funny how there are so many questions I have when it comes to Zama, but we can't do that now. We need to talk about other kids.
Yeah.
Talking about artists like I said, wow, the question is coming and I pray to God, go away. Can I talk about another group? There's an amazing group in the Kingdom they've also worked with, Vessels of Praise.
Okay.
And an amazing team.
Yes.
How did you team up with them? And how was it working with them? I mean, Ukrumanga Zama because he's your friend, but now you're working with people that are not, like that with you. How was that relationship?
Working with Vessels of Praise was so great. I think it's one of the recordings because I just got a call from Ngobi Maseo, like, bro, we want you to be our front of house engineer. And I was like, yo, for recording. I'm used to doing shows, assisting there and there. So, but a recording, it's something that's huge, because good recording, it's one take. A fan as a studio would say, "Sto and if only start now, we start longisa." But good live recording, it's one take. The production has to be on top. So, when the sound, it has to be there. What would say it's standard, and that's your name. On top of that.
Yeah, true.
So lenga usho nje ukuthi ngajabulela lokuthi they trusted me with their project. And it made me to push because I remember ukuthi the Friday was sound check safika and things tendeka kwangahlangani. But ngavuka early in the morning the following day. And got to I sound checking 11. I figure and did my things. Mabafika and sound check, they were shocked to see lebe kwende tolo. There's a huge difference. And everything went smooth.
True. And Babugula Maka, this one man who doesn't sleep. Dude, you're always on the road, you don't sleep. Talking about the first big project, Gui Vessels of Praise, how were the preparations? Because I know at some point you're like, no, I also can't do this. But you did it anyway.
Yeah, the preps, I think, would say it's telling yourself that you can do this. So, failing, it's where you learn.
Yeah.
But the moment you push, I would say, I can do this. I think Sibandu we see a risk. Sometimes le risk loyithathako itakubeka on another level.
True.
So if you take the risk, you know ukuthi I have to work hard because ngithathe risk. I have to work hard to make this thing happen.
Yeah, true.
So working la with that production vele ngatshela ukuthi I want to do this.
Yeah, man.
Vele it has to be perfect for
Let's
my
see your
name.
perfect job, Mkhona. Let's see the perfect work that you did. Mbukela sitokotele nayo ingoma ya i-Vessels of Praise.
Sono sam, itihilo, ate mahalo, itingalo, suli sono, itihilo, hilo, itingalo, itihilo, hilo, itingalo, what's up? Hey, 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 hey. Sono sami, itihilo, atemwa halo, halo, sono itihilo, hilo, itimalo, itihilo, hilo, itimalo, itihilo. You sing so beautiful. Hey, 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 hey.
Purer than gold, whiter than snow. Purer than gold, whiter than snow.
Welcome back, Mbukeli. This is Gospel Impact. Libito lami ngibali wakaSimelane Umngoni Mpembe. Ndlebe zimqhawana nanamuhla Mbukeli sinda njalo sakhana ngato tingoma as we celebrate and appreciate the people that work behind the artists that we see on a daily basis. Sihlelo Gospel Impact namuhla sinaye Thabang Waka Mathebula, who does an amazing job on Mbukeli production. He's worked with so many artists in the kingdom and also got an opportunity to work with the people outside this country. Thabang, as we were talking about a vessel of praise Nas Puma from Zama's song we spoke about Vessel of Praise. What were you thinking now, Kala, the step of working behind the scene? Was it just because we know you're just a guy, Shane, who was just playing an instrument in church?
Yeah.
But now, did you ever thought go to one day T will be where he is today, where you're working with big productions?
Yeah.
And also owning a company, a production company, I mean, that's a lot.
Okay, back in years, bengacabanga ukuthi I will own a production company. Bengitshela nje ukuthi no ngiyasebenza nje. And also give me bekune ukuthi I want to see production in Swaziland ikhula.
Yeah.
What if uNkulunkulu beke mina to change some of the things?
Yeah.
So yeah, the more ngisebenza on the years ngabona ukuthi no ngiyakhula, and I decided ukuthi let me start something. Then ngakhona kwaqala Benmark House Production.
Yeah, can I put you on the spot? This is the production in the country. Now, Buganje, as a person, Sigupi, at 2024 when it comes to those productions in the kingdom. Are we going somewhere compared to when you started? I wanted to now 2024. Are we, be honest? Are we going somewhere, or we still need to learn a lot of things to get to somewhere?
We are going somewhere. The good thing is there are people labangenako with the production or labaphinze bayavela bebasolo bayasebenza same thing nami bengisebenza ngavela, so nabo bebakhona then sebayavela nabo they are improving the production. Masesibuka from way back to Nyalo, and which means in a few years ishintsho litaba khona.
Yeah.
We learning on implementing the things lesihlale sitibona on production companies or ma productions lendeka outside the country, so which pushes us to do more of that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Kolo, there's a song that you did, also actually a production that you did for Umlangen, Nkhuluma Muzi, as Babukeli Batombona nje Masiyana, the beautiful song that he did. How was that work with you? I mean, working with him when it comes to that? I'm trying to get to a point where when a person calls you and says, Tabang, I want you to be part of production, how is that for you? Do you get used to it, or it's always new and challenging every time?
Working with Umlangen was great. He has a good heart. And also, it's when someone akubekela ivision yakhe ungayishintshi, but when you are there to guide him ukuthi afike kule vision yakhe. So Mlangeni wafika through Sthembiso Dlamini, which is a partner with Benmark House Production. Wafika, then wayibeka vision, and sabe selapho siyaqhubeka ukuthi no asesibone ukuthi kungasebenza yini, sende ma plans senda konke, and kwahamba kwafika ekugcineni the vision that he wanted yafika ekugcineni.
I think with that, I want to find out the challenges. You're saying he has a good heart, and probably labanye they have a vision, and this is not doable. But that's I want to get to a point now. My challenges now and making all these beautiful things that we see on our screens and the shows that we attend, gospel shows. How difficult is it sometimes?
The challenge is laba khona, always finances. I think that's one huge challenge. My artist ethu they do have the vision, but the vision is way more than their pockets.
Yeah.
So sometimes mawutomtshela lo muntu uthi eish yathi la ibudget idodza ukuthi ibe ngaka for the production that you want. Abe like again no mina ngifuna ibe nje. So if angeke akulalele, that's where mina angeke ngicambe manga. I just step aside.
Yeah.
I just say no, just go and get someone who will be able to work on the terms lo wafuna, because Liqiniso let's ama finances for everything to happen. Singa le mali.
Yeah.
So mangabe le mali angaka budget lo muntu umtshela wona ukuthi this and this and this and this and this kutobita kangaka. That athi yena no still ufuna kona but le mali is still ayifiki. Leyo kuyi challenge leyo. Because if I'm heading the production I have to go ngiyofuna sound, stage, lighting, screens and those things they are bid.
Yeah.
So angibekise nje nyala I'm on KG Digital Production Services. We have the equipment. But before I didn't have the equipment. So I have to go to someone ngimtshele lo muntu ukuthi sine budget lengaka. So if yena don't send the quotation and the budget yet ayihlangani with the quotation so vele kude le ngakwenda nami because angifuni kufike umuntu afika athi ay wavuma wathi nginike 30,000 utanginike ibalance ya 20,000. The balance ya 20,000 funa ikhishwe ngimi because mina funa ngihambele le artist. If the artist ingayi keep le mali I have to pay the person mina.
Ngiyakuva Mkholo inzabe sekunikelele and ngiyativa le nombolo okhipha ko adlali for two numbers 20 for 30 no nasiphuma sana lisheke Mkholo ubukela isizo watching Gospel Impact sitongithola ingoma ke lemnazi kakhulu ngethembe ukuthi dayithokodela lapha ekhaya.
If you do not come, Lord, all this will be for nothing.
Purer than gold, whiter than snow. Purer than gold, whiter than snow.
Mbukeli solo senda njalo sithumisana lo mdzala wetinsuku mbukeli as sibona si-appreciate nama-artist lapha ekhaya eSwatini today siyabona nje umsebenzi omuhle labawendako mbukeli kusho kona ukuthi we are really getting there as asho omkholo ukuthi we are getting there kusho ukuthi lama notes abakhona bayawathatha bomkholo to make the productions even better mhlaza ngirecorda mina umkholo can I just say and ngithatha kancane yazi ukuthi the day ngirecorda
so kilo wahlabela
well, simxoka, but nje the dang record. The dang record. Mkholo, looking back now and seeing the person that you are now at 2024, what can you say to that Mkholo that didn't believe that this is possible? Seeing that the good work that you've done and hearing us saying you're doing a good job and looking at that young man that time who was saying, mhlawumbe I can do it or mhlawumbe I can't do it.
Yeah, okay, what I can say is patience works. I think most people are abafuni kuhamba all the stages.
Yeah.
For me to be there, funangijambe to lapha. Let God akhambise all the stages.
Yeah.
Ngesikhathi sakhe utawufika la ufuna kuya khona. So if the Thabani lo beka 2017 2016 bekangadiboni nyalo 2024 but nyalo loku 2024 looking back ngiyasho ngithi no umdala udlala inzima lenkulu.
Yeah, I think what you're saying is very important, especially even to the people watching at home. Because what if I'm not going to make it work? You know, I can't be working with big people. What if I'm the doubting? What you're saying about patience is very, very important.
Yeah.
And the fact that you are doing your job knowing very well that I want to be a better person every day. Talking about being a better person every day, which production are you willing and saying, one day, I know you want to work on my production, but for now, let's talk about other kids. Which production are you saying one day, nangasebenda nalomzalwane lona ngida ukusho ukuthi yeah, I've ticked all the boxes
from here in the country
anywhere. Yes.
You Ty Tribet.
Ooh.
If I can work with Ty Tribet. It's a gospel artist from the US. Yeah. It's Pastor Ty Tribet. So yeah, I can say working on his production, I can say yeah.
Now bringing back to us.
Okay, coming to South Africa, I can say Pastor Benjamin Dube.
Oh yeah.
Bishop Benjamin. The production that happens with the bishop, yeah, it's on another level.
Oh.
So here in the country, I know Zama is still gonna do something big.
Ngiyamangala ukuthi pheze sikhuluma ngazama kani nami ngibeke yami izabe production so ukuthi it's fine. I know you want to work with some more. It's all good. It's okay. Bro code thing, it's good. But now talking about Zama, there's a sister also that you've worked with, a great soul. Ngikhuluma ngayo Bhelekazi.
Yes.
How was that working with her? Okay, I know she's a great soul, so now talking about work related things.
The funny part is as I started working with Bhelekazi since back in 2012, 13, because Besia Sonvolinye vele. So bekwendeka maga showing, you were like, Siswam, can I go with you? Ngiyokwendela sound. So vele with Bhelekazi it's been something from way back.
Yeah.
I remember there's a time Begne show was stag. Waba like, she had in your steak. I'm like, no. I'm going to the sound of steak. Zahamba vele. And we came back late. So with Bhelekazi vele, even na se aenda I recording yake. We had a meeting. Okay, vele washo it's okay. He's working with Platinum Concept. Khulekani Mamba. So there Sebenda Khulekani was providing all the other production stuff. Then we provided lighting on K Digital. So yeah, the recording was on point.
Asive mkhole ngoma. Mbukele nangibhelekazi. mbukele ekhaya isho njalo ingoma ayithi labalahlekile siyabathandazela bababuye ekhaya mbukeli whatever that has led you ukuthi ube kulesimo lokuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona mbukeli it does not matter what you're going through the God that we serve mbukeli is a faithful God it does not matter how long the situation has been asiqhubeke sihlale emthandazweni mbukeli sibuyele uNkulunkulu I know there are situations that isusa kenzaweni yethu but let us stand firm sinevini lakhe sinemthandazweni uNkulunkulu asiphendulela mbukeli uNkulunkulu lalelaka kalaleli kuphela besiyaphendula as we say uNkulunkulu asilanza nalaba lahlekile asisho njalo ukuthi akabalanze asibalanze mbukeli nawe yendo umsebenzi wakho ulanze labalahlekile let's come back to God simenza wena futhi singathi uNkulunkulu akaphenduli asimenza wena because he might be coming back athi uyakuphendula akuthola ungekho enzaweni yakho let us stand firm mbukeli you are watching Gospel Impact as we are saying ingoma lemnazi kakhulu yakhe Bhelekazi bethi labalahlekile asibalanze babuye uNkulunkulu Mkhola as you do this job that you do I'm sorry for that I need the moment as you do the work that you do you get to a point where umzalwane ufuna lokuthide and now as a child of God and ufuna lokuthi the production igcina uphume kahle but bese kuba nedinga leli bakhona what do you do as a child of God in this work of space that you were in
letinye tinto ngeke ngithi ungadeca because the moment ukweca ngembili kutosha wena
yeah
so communication is key
yeah
so bazalwane bayafika artist ifike nihlale phansi nikhulume and do yonke draft so the person angeke sithe kumyenga because the moment umyenga umniketa an idea ukuthi this thing it's easy doing a production it's not easy it's something every artist or anyone doka production makangena kiyo funa abe nelivalo mina every time I do sound for a recording ngiba nelivalo up until iziphele angibi at ease I don't get used gigo because the moment you get used kutondeke ma faults lathi to be like lokuna so ngeke usakunaka lo so labazalwane bethu ufuna umtshela iqiniso lomuntu it's okay this and this and this and this possible this is not possible in our industry the truth is everyone has to finance production yakhe it's unlike the other countries where there are a lot of sponsors kuthiwa nje wena fika nembahlabeleli bakho in rehearse everything's paid ngalana you have to have the finances so the person wamiyenga ngala ma finances uyimoshe yonke le production because that means the money that lakufuna I keep you have to compromise the production for that money
yeah Mkholo thank you so much for your time today usikhombisela okuningi noma ke usivule kulokuningi lebe singakuboni and really appreciate the work that you do may God continue to bless you as you work uNkulunkulu akuphe amandla sigcine sifikele kule production yami lengikhuluma ngayo because it's going to happen because it's going to happen thank you so much for your time Mkholo uqhubeke ngalo msebenzi ngalo mandla lo wendako
thank you so much
thank you
ngiyabonga kakhulu nami kuba kulenzawo
amen
every time I'm always behind the scene kukhuluma ke vele angwati
look at you spoke for a whole hour
yeah kukhuluma angwati I'm always behind the scene but the moment bathi hey baba awusaluvela ngala ngiyasithela vele because I'm always behind working everything from behind
I think we need people like you behind to help us do what we do here so siyabonga kakhulu
thank you so much
siyabonga kakhulu for that mbukeli lebo namhlehlelweni ngeGospel Impact lebe sikwenda mbukeli besakhani emoyeni yebo ke phaphinze bese we are trying to appreciate the people that we see uma gospel shows noma ke usibona imisebenzi lesibona on TV not knowing the people abafaka sandla into saying what we see on a daily basis bendo umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu mbukeli we appreciate everyone and we appreciate the artists that we work with appreciate the people that are always behind the scene making sure we see the good job that we see and on that note I also like to appreciate the amazing amazing people that I work with. Again, I'm talking about the Gospel Impact team. You at home see what you see every Sundays. Thank you so much, team, for the great job that you do. And now you're an amazing person. Thank you so much for tuning in every day and watching Gospel Impact. Remember, I am because of you. So thank you for the love and support and the prayers every day. We still need them. So let's continue putting each other in tandazweni. Yaloke sitawuthola ingoma yakhe Shekana Muguli wakamotsa sitavala hlelo ke ingoma yakhe ngethemba ukuthi mina nawe siphinde sihlangane phinze efananzelako ngathi sona sikhathi lesifana. From me Mbali Semelani, Omgu, Mbembe, Debs Mkhwane, and the rest of the team, have a good night and God bless you.
Kanyena
Bye.